Where do you see Amazon advertising in few years after AI? Right now, what I'm seeing, Amazon is really pushing a lot of AI agents when it comes down to how to run ads. What I'm seeing is that they either produce reports on the client's behalf and they're sending them reports, which is crazy because they are using ChatGPT and with the emojis and everything, which looks absolutely ridiculous. But that is also a way how they're testing it. Second way how they're testing it, they're running lots of A/B tests when it comes down to creatives optimization. So they have also the Amazon Creative Studio, which is going to allow you to basically create content from scratch for free. Other thing that I'm seeing is that they are bringing a lot of automations when it comes down to, hey, we can replace you having a PPC manager, or hey, we can replace you as doing your own ads. Now, whenever that happens, I am very cautious because keep in mind that Amazon still they're making a huge portion of their overall top line revenue from advertising itself. Advertising barely takes them any expense, because they are just generating a lot of money. So whenever they are offering, hey, let us run your ads or let our ad managers take over and advise you, I'm very cautious. And now that you're asking, like with AI, I feel that they're going to improve that process better. And what I'm conscious about is that really brands are not going to depend anymore on people and on strategy. Rather than they're going to outsource or delegate their thinking to robots that they are not thinking, or even worse, to robots that are programmed in such a way to take away as much of your money as you can, right? So that's kind of the direction that I'm seeing right now. Hopefully it's not the case, but so far with the evidence that I'm seeing on all these experiments, that's where we are directed.